Hey everyone, thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to join a Cisco Webex meeting. One will be ad hoc, when you have simply just a meeting number. The other 2 will be using calendar integration with the Webex board itself. I have a Webex board behind me here. Let's dive in and check it out. To manually join a Webex meeting from the board, simply pull up your Webex meeting invite. You want to look for the meeting number. And what you can do is on the Webex board, tap the Join Webex button. It'll bring up a screen that looks like this. There's a search or enter meeting information window at the top, and in the lower right-hand corner, there is a number pad. Simply type in the meeting number. I'm going to do that now. When you have your number typed in, hit the Join button. A self-view is going to be shown on the board while the system dials into that meeting. The next 2 ways to join the meeting involve calendar services. Here you can see I have a meeting that's scheduled on the screen. There's 2 ways to join, of course. Obviously, I can hit the Join button just like that, and it's going to dial me into the meeting. You can see we're now in the meeting. I have all the controls that I had when I joined manually. Let's drop out of the meeting though, and let's try one more way, and that is the Webex Assistant. Okay, Webex, join the meeting.
Sure thing. Joining now.
I can actually ask the endpoint itself using a verbal voice command to join the meeting for me. As you can see, we're logging in, and there we go. We have, again, all those same controls that we had before. The goal of Cisco's video endpoints is to make joining a meeting as straightforward, but yet still as flexible as possible. If you have questions, comments, tips, tricks, please leave them in the video comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. I want to thank you for watching, encourage you to subscribe, and I hope to see you back sometime soon.